Manifestors, what's up? Happy Friday. Stop, drop, and breathe. Yay, yay, yay. I can't wait to do this. I am pumped today, you guys, you ladies, you gentlemen. I've had quite a morning. I went for a bike ride. I'm doing a plank challenge. Woo, because we are on the solar plexus today. So it's the color yellow. And I noticed I don't have a lot of yellow in my wardrobe, but I did paint my nails yellow for you guys. And I found this awesome fluorescent yellow wristband. So representing yellow like that. So, hey, welcome everybody. So if you're here, just say hi. Just type in I am powerful. Type in I am powerful. We're going to get this going right now. I am powerful. Woo! All right. So today is solar plexus. We are working our way up each chakra for each of these Fridays. So today is chakra 3. The solar plexus. And really quick, because I'm going to jump into moving today, because this is what that chakra is all about. It's all about moving things forward in your life. And that's because when you show up in your life, that's when confidence shows up. So I am confident and I am powerful come from taking action, being in motion. So we're going to move a lot today. We are going to get the heart rate going. I am powerful. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Herb. Love it. So this is all about identity and ego. And actually, when this is blocked, this is all about shame, which is kind of the mother of all of the emotions here that we're all trying to look at, work through. So today I'm actually going to just be working with something really simple, because for me, I'm most in my power when I am clear about my yeses and my nos, because you can really break it down to those two things. Stand strong in your yes and stand strong in your no. And when you do that, you feel powerful because you are listening to your inner truth. So this is about personal power, confidence. And yeah, I'm going to shake things up. We are going to, I hope you guys laugh when you hear the song, because I've been sweating practicing. This is so fun. All right. So just a quick on the power chakra here. This is about your adrenals, your pancreas, the digestive system, which is really interesting, right? And we've got the liver, the gallbladder, because it's a fire element. So that's a lot of where our fire is, where we're burning things down. And this is our willpower, our discipline. This is the planet sun, which doesn't surprise me because this is our inner sun that we glow out. And if you're just joining us right now, just write into the comments, I am powerful. Yes, Dina, what's up? Berna, Gisela, strong. Yes. Oh my God. All right. I'm so excited to do this. Let's just do it. Okay. So this is what I want for all of you. Your liver needs help. Okay. So let's just breathe some love into all of this parts of our body here today. And so these stop, drop, and breathes are all about merging breathing, movement, and mental programming. So we are going to move right now. And I just encourage you to give it everything you've got, because we want to get the heart rate going, and then we're going to breathe. And if breathing after movement is so much easier. All right. So everybody, get on up. And here we go. I'm so excited. Yeah, I got the power. Ow! Yeah, all right. So here we go. Here's our sun right here. We're just going to breathe. We're just going to move like this. Woo! Ow! Open it up. Feel your legs wide. Sun. You're opening your sun and you're just moving this area. Ow! And then we're going to work with our no. Hup. We're going to punch the no down. Keep going, breathe, breathe. Yeah, you're powerful, just stay with it. Woo! No. Come on. Hup. No. This is just to know your boundaries. No, no. You gotta know your no. Whoa, what just happened? No! What just happened? Technical difficulties. What happened? Okay. I want to redo. You gotta love that. You gotta love that shit. Oh, really? What? That's annoying. All right, here we go. Here we go. Life is like that. All right. No, no. No, no. No, no. No, no. Okay, we're gonna run it out. Run! Get in motion! Run! Run! You got it! Run! Run! Woo! Woo! Breathe! Woo! We're moving for the yeses! Yes! 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 Grab it! Grab it! Yes! 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 Jump! Star! Run it out! Ow! Yes! Get it! Run towards your dreams! You are powerful! I am confident! I can do it! You say to yourself, I can do it! I'm doing it! Go! Huh! 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 Star! Star! Bright light! Shine bright! Shine bright! Woo! Woo! Breathe! Just punch! Gentle punch! Gentle punch! Ooh. Yeah! Whoa! I've got the power! Nice. Whatever you're feeling, just allow it. I know, I feel that. All that power running through me. I want you to just put your feet strong down into the ground. Your powerful, strong roots of your legs. Catching your breath. We're just going to go opening, inhale, exhale, coming in. Just imagine this ball of sunlight energy is expanding. If maybe you're right here, that's fine. Just breathe in and breathe out. Allow yourself to breathe, full body breaths. Inhale, exhale. Coming in, expansion, contraction. Yes. No. Inhale. Yes. Exhale. We play small, but on the other side of small is big. It's okay, they go together. You can experience both, they're both needed. Just stay with your breath. Eventually, you want to make it bigger. Use your whole body. Oh, yes. All your power coming in. Woo, you're a big star. And then you come back to safety. Close your eyes and really just allow yourself to get into it. powerful, people. Breathe in. Breathe out. In through your mouth. Out through your mouth. Breathe in that power. Breathe in that confidence. Stay with the breath. Yeah, and even if you want to allow yourself to move a little, if the music is moving you, stay opening and closing. You're breathing life into your power. Breathe in that quality of yes. Feel that you know your yes and you know your no. You know who you are. Anything is possible. Let this golden light shine for you. You are bright stars. Inhale. Open up your chest. Open up your throat. Be open. And then come back. Open. Your hand on your solar plexus, making like a little bit of a circle you're holding like this. Just breathing, push out, pull in. Pull the energy in. Get low. Find your warrior. Stay with the breath. Let the animal out if you need to. This is power. You never know when you need it. There's silent power, where you sneak up and then you pounce. And then there's just warrior power. Here you come. So many kinds of power. All of our emotions hold power. When you're feeling angry, it's power. Even when you're feeling sad, power. They're all messengers. Breathe in, breathe out. If it's easy and you want to sit down, go ahead. If not, we're just going to use this 3 minutes to stand completely still. Like a mountain pose in your power, closing your eyes and breathing in through your mouth. Activate your core and out through your mouth. Whatever you need to do, do it. So many I am powerfuls written there. Yes, breathe in that power. Feel your feet pushing down. Feel your spine straight and the energy just coming right through you. You are powerful. Rolling your neck. Circle the other way. Rolling your shoulders. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Just leaning over. Feel the stretch, feel the stretch. Breathe into it. Switching sides. Oh, I feel it, I feel it. Feel it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just coming back to a warrior pose. Maybe you want to find one that works for you. What is it? What makes you feel strong? What stance makes you feel confident? Find something and hold it. Take a breath in. These are power poses. Power poses send messages to your whole system, and they say to your system, yes, I am powerful. So repeat to yourself, I am powerful! Ha! Have an amazing day. You guys rock. I love it. See you next Friday. We're moving up to the heart. Totally different energy coming. Wear your green and be powerful. Believe you're powerful. Reach out if you need anything. Know your boundaries. And love you. Bye.